Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl SJ here with Real Beauty, Real Food, and Real Life. And today I did a Dollar Tree haul. And I'm going to take you along for a little bit of the adventure. And then I'm going to show you what I got. You want to know what I got? Keep watching this video. Thank you very much for returning back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out the Dollar Tree located in Independence, Missouri off of 39th Street. The first thing in the store that you see is Valentine's Day section. When you come into the Valentine's aisle, there are a lot of selections of things to check out. And one of the things I noticed was these red vases. Of course, there's a pink one next to it, but these are really nice for Valentine's Day. Red is the official color. Of course, pink is the friendship color. And lo and behold, right next to them, look at the flowers. Not just any flowers, roses. Yes, and they have light up kind. You see they have pink ones too. Not very many pink ones usually get picked. With Valentine's Day around the corner, Dollar Tree gives you a lot of different ideas. One is this Your Sweet box. You can get this for $1 and put your nice little gift in there. You didn't want her to know it's a ring? Perfect place. Now look at this. Instead of getting the flowers that always die, get the plaque. Love grows forever then. And you don't have to worry about watering it. And then there's a little cute saying. As you can see, they have been really shopping. And look at this cute. Look at the little towel. If you want to decorate the kitchen, because that'd be my thoughts on that. I don't see where else it would actually go but in the kitchen, huh? I love these designs. They are the wires that have those little Christmas-like stencils that you push through them. Beautiful. This one is nice. Heart shape with the love on it. Now, this one spells out love, but I think they overdid the stencil, so I really can't make it out like I think it is. I just know what it's got to be. After all, we are in the Valentine's Day section. What else could it be? Hate? I don't think so. Look at the little signs over here that say welcome. Oh, they really come up with some unique things. And the bag, look at the creative bag. Look at those boxes there. You can put your own candy in there, make your own candy right there. Of course, they do have a candy section for you. So you can pick little heart candies and put in those little boxes that you just seen. Especially these little cute things. They won't fit in a box, but they'll fit in that bigger box. Yeah, they have a lot of different types of candies to choose from. I'm just giving you an idea of what my store has for Valentine's Day. You know, it's really cold out here, but check it out. They are already on the garden supplies. They got the potting soil. They got these little stone-like things. They got the gloves for the garden. And these stone things, I think these are the ones that you would step on, I'm thinking. That's what they feel a little bit like for $1. Nice. And then, of course, they got a few little garden supplies there. They are really getting ready. It's freezing out here. They got the pots. And look at that. Seed starter. So I guess you could get a really good jump on spring. I'm sorry, we're still in January. So I just ain't seeing spring around the corner that quickly. No, we just had 2 degrees. They have the perennials ready for you to pick from. Lots of different choices. This is probably the best time to start your garden. But people like me that don't have green thumbs, this is just really pretty to look at. Can you believe it? They have diamond wrap in. Yes. I usually miss it when it's only like 1 or 2 in there. But look at this. They got them. And they got some colors in there too. Yes, the gold, the silver. There's some blue. To make it complete, they got 1 sticky blue diamond sheet left. Okay, so as many of you all know, you can't leave the dollar store paying hardly nothing. You just can't do that because there's so many things in there. And the first thing you think, oh, that's just $1. Boop, goes in the basket. That's just $1. Boop, goes in the basket. So I try to limit myself when I go to the Dollar Tree. And let me show you what I got. Limit myself. I didn't get a lot, but Dollar Tree does sell name brand. So I get my paper towels from there. Perfect. Because I don't need to get a whole case. because we don't go through them that much. So I just get them every now and then until I decide to get a case. Now, as you all know, or if you follow me on my Snapchat, it's sensational, the real SJ. I've been working on remodeling my room. And so I'm at the painting stage now. Dollar Tree has brushes. No, they're not going to be all the really extremely nice brushes, but you can actually use these and feel comfortable about throwing them away when you're done. They have a 2-pack one there, and then they had a 3-pack one. I only needed these. That had like 3, like I think it was two of these and maybe just a little bit bigger than this in a pack. I'm like, okay. Perfect for putting anything on, and then when you're done, you don't have to keep it. Most people don't continue painting after they finish the room anyway, right? All right. So the next thing I found was this little rose. It was so cute. Y'all know it was Valentine's time. There's a little try me button on there. Ooh, red light, red light. Yeah. Neat. I got a project for this. And of course, I had to get something for it to sit in. So I'm like, okay, we looking Valentines. Oh. So for you guys that be watching these hauls, if you just happen to not have no money, don't be a little low on funds, run to the Dollar Tree. You can make up a whole bouquet, flowers. It ain't gonna die, so that makes it even better. And then of course, for those of us that don't have no green thumb, you ain't got to worry about the real flowers staying alive or not staying alive because you got the fake ones. I'm just saying. So I did find one of these. I need these things. It seems like every time you look up, my son's taking them. But this is how I like my 3-wick candles. And so when I don't have this, I'm sitting here flipping this little thing up, trying to do this. Ow, 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 burning my thumb. Yeah, I don't need the lighters. I need this right here. Hopefully I can put that one up so it don't get coming up missing. Y'all, I got those hauls. We in a cold flu, I don't know what this weather gonna do stage. And these right here will work because you can't find these for $1. It's hauls. They ain't brand. Alright, so I always need to be tying up stuff. Like when I finish eating my chips or something, I want to fold it back down. Best place to get rubber bands. You got assorted colors. No, assorted sizes, and they all beige. It just gives you an ounce. So it's 3.5 ounces, but still, for $1, yeah, I threw that in the basket. Of course, when you're leaving out of the checkout, y'all know anything about these? It's that Pop Rocks. You know, you put them in your mouth and I love these things. Okay, they had them when I was coming up. They didn't have the 3-pack, but I still like them. All right. Okay, so I got these hooks. They've been having them in the Dollar Tree. This is the first time I've seen them in silver. And I thought, I've got a pan lid in my cabinet that fits all sizes of pans and pots and skillets. So my ideal is to stick these up there on the opening door of where I put my cookware at, and then put these right there. And then I can put the famous lids that fit everything. I can just stick it right down in there and don't have to keep hunting through all my other stuff to get to it until I get that container store to organize that. Some painter's tape. I knew I had some, but just in case I didn't, I wanted to get the Dollar Tree one because I've got a project that I've got to work on. And I wanted to use this one versus the one that I usually use for my construction stuff. e.l.f. is so popular, y'all. Eyes, lip, face. And this is the angled brush. That right there was awesome. Now, these angled brushes, like you can't buy a brush in any other place for $1. And look at that. It's angled. So if you can do what you want with the brush when you're doing makeup, but when it's angled, it makes it so pretty when you put on that glitter. Okay? I mean, my makeup all day, so I don't know how it's looking, but yeah. But yeah, these are really good. I usually just see the little white one, but they had those, so I said, I'm gonna grab that. Here's something that was new to my Dollar Tree, and it's this lightweight spackling is what they call it. But when I read it, I already knew this is like mud. So mud is what you use to fill in like little cracks and things in the wall. So let's say you nail the picture in a place that you don't want to have it there no more and you don't want that big hole in there. For $1, this is good. Now, granted, when you open these containers, they will dry out. So if they turn like they have black specks in them or they'll turn completely black, you don't want to continue using them. Just throw it out. And it's $1. This is for the small holes. Don't get this if you got a whole wall to patch up. And they had restocked the toothpaste. So I got the Crest 3D White. I ain't never used it before, but I just figured, well, it was out last time I was there because I think everybody was out of everything because it seemed like everybody was shopping for Christmas and New Year's. It was just crazy. So I thought I'd grab this toothpaste and try it. And then last but not... Oh, wait. Before I get to that one. I found the mirrors. Yep, I found the mirrors. And I ended up getting 6 of them because I got another project I'm about to do. These mirrors are very hard to come by. So if you keep going to your Dollar Tree and they do not have them, remember you can go to dollartree.com and order your mirrors or all the stuff that you be looking for. You can just order it there and they will ship it to the store for free and you just go pick it up. Now, granted, the mirrors, these mirrors come in a 12-pack when you order them for shipping. But if you need those little mirrors like the ones that, you know, I make my things out of, if you need those kind, they come 40 in a pack. So it'd be good to get a bunch of people together and say, hey, you want to get some mirrors? We can all go in on it. Yes, they come in 3 different sizes, but it's worth it. And a lot of times they'll send you specials too. So yeah, I was going to have the book out, but I don't even know where I put the book at now. But yeah, they send you specials and everything. They 10% off at the Dollar Tree? Yeah, I'll take it. Last, okay, but not least. I've been seeing these little things here, but I've not seen anybody with the ducks. I've been seeing the little elephants. Oh, so I found these. They're so shiny and cute. And I thought this would make a nice project. Even though they're already gold, I think if you paint them again with some more gold on it and then add it to a couple of things, I think these would be wonderful gifts. Wonderful, wonderful. But I thought they were so cute. And it was only the last 2 ducks they had. I'm like, oh, I'll take one of each. Yeah, that's all they had. So. But just to let you know, I think they're coin banks because it has a slit in the top. Or, yeah, you'd have to break it to get the money out. So, okay, we ain't going with the coins. Sorry. What do we call it? It doesn't have a name on there. So with that slit in the top, I guess you would probably put stuff in it. Maybe like, I don't know what you can put in it, but yeah, you have a little thing that slid in there and then put that in there. So, but yeah, it's still cute. You can set it up on the wall. I don't know if any of y'all had those little ledges at the top going across your doors. My mom and them used to put the things up there. They call them whatnots. Yeah. I don't know if anybody does that anymore, but, you know, I'm kind of from the old school. That was my Dollar Tree haul this week. I spent $22 with tax. So I actually did pretty good. I was so proud of myself. I did not overdo it. So that's it. And just want to take time out and thank you all for coming back to the channel. Thank you for taking time out to just watch this video. If you've seen something in there you like, comment below. If you see something you didn't like, comment below. If you liked the video, like, thumbs up it. If you didn't like the video, thumbs it up anyway. And then comment below. But, yeah, and if you all ever wonder why I show you the Dollar Tree or what it looks like when I first go in, it's because there's Dollar Trees out there that don't always look really nice. And I'm going to take you to one and let you see what I'm talking about. So sometimes we have to learn to appreciate what we do got. And if you find one that's really good, you know, be a part of that crew that helps it keep going. So with that being said, if you're not subscribing to me, hit that subscribe button. And thanks again for watching your girl, SJ. A real beauty, real food, and real life. Thanks for watching.